Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Lieutenant Mohammad Reis Dastagir, Corps Commander, Flight of Karachi. I have Ms. Alvin Korusa, the PPP Senior, Mohammad Shahar, the Sports Minister, Zina Goodrich, President of World Sports Federation, the Senior Vice President of Pakistan Sports Federation, the Marshal Kazim Ahmad, the President of the World Sports Federation, Ms. Zina Goodrich, the Chief Executive of the World Sports Federation, the legends here, and my moment of today was sharing the same board with Jhanvi Khan, Dawar Zaman, India Rotary, and Mr. Yadav. Mere friend I will do that, and that was the high moment for me today. What a great game of squash. From morning I have sitting together. It's been a very long time since I've actually watched squash. I used to play squash. And I used to watch squash. Even Dawar Zaman was the allowed to play. And today, seeing the young talent that Pakistan had, Dawar Zaman, and what a game Kareem and Gurpreet done. We all thoroughly enjoyed it, and for everybody here, the audience really enjoyed it. A great moment for squash, great moment for World Sports Federation and for us here in Pakistan. I am grateful to the World Sports Federation for having us host this event, the World Under-23 World Sports Championship. I welcome all the players, both the ladies and the ex-players who I'm sure and hope that they had a good time in Karachi and they enjoyed the game, and they had some time to go to the I'm not sure we were able to do that or not. It was a pleasure for us to host you here. One thing, telling us that to come back again, what I suggest that we don't let you go. And we just keep you here till we get the next Jahangir Khan in Pakistan. Special congratulations goes out to the Pakistan Sports Federation, especially the organizers, Sindh Sports Federation. Adnan Asad, I was at an event about, it was 3 months ago, a little over 3 months ago, they were launching this. At that time, that was the first time I knew that we would have the World Sports Under-23 Championship here in Karachi. And immediately I said, whatever support the government of Sindh can get, we will provide it. And I'm happy that we fulfilled our promise. We had this match here. And he tells me doing another tournament in January next year. No issues. Let's bring all the players and let's chapter. And as I said, for us in this province, for us in the city, it's not things like this. We've, I remember about 8 years ago now, the Pakistan cricket league, the PSL, used to be held in Dubai. And I asked the cricket board, the Pakistan cricket board, to have the matches here in Karachi, and we were successful in starting that. Since then, we had several events, and it's always a pleasure to host a conference here. I see like 24 countries which are represented here. So inshallah, with this event, we will revive the glory of sports. Sports is a game. There is one other thing. In this city where I thought this is probably the only game where the players are on the same side of the court. Otherwise, you can't throw the ball in the when we say the ball is in your court, the ball is always in my court. So it's a game where both the players are on the same side. Today's match, we saw that. We saw the competitiveness of both the players. And I congratulate the champion, obviously he was the one, and I congratulate his grandfather for a great moment for him. And at the same time, the runner-up today, Kareem Ankur, what a great game. And we could see the competitiveness in him. And the winner today was Thank you very much. All of you being here. I enjoyed this time and hope you all enjoy it. Thank you very much.
और मैं नीचे से लेके आता हूँ
After this, thank you very much, Pakistan. I also am grateful to the country members of Turkey, UAE, Sri Lanka, and the United States for being here today and supporting us. Thank you very much.